I got this big fan who lives in the UK. He's a British guy. All right. And this prank comes with a huge warning. A huge warning. There's nothing sort of smutty about this. There's no excessive swearing in this. The content is not, very controversial. It's just because producer Brad said just give a hell of a big warning on this before. So do you feel like I've covered it, Brad, or would you like to add a further warning to this prank?
If you're triggered by sounds and have a weak stomach.
Okay, now Vanya is still sat in the chair there. Being pregnant, are you getting nauseous? Do you?
No. I'm fine. So Vanya's not going to go into labor after listening to this prank. No guarantees here.
We are hearing some very throaty coughs. All right, when people cough and you go, whoa, there was like a bit of meat in that one, No. So this guy sent me, he says he's got the worst cough in the world. Worst cough. This is not something that he puts on. He just has this cough. He was born with this sort of cough. He's not even sick.
This is just what he sounds like.
Yeah. So he sent me a whole range of his coughs, like in C minor, in B plus, in all the sorts of things. And he said, maybe try use it in a prank. So I thought, well, absolutely I can. So this is not me coughing. It's going to be me adding in the sound effect of him coughing, but I do all the talking. All right, are we ready? Strap in. You ready? See if you can make it through to the end.
Let's go.
My money on Brad, no. Ramiz, maybe. Sherlin, I don't know. Vanya, I think you and I will be the last two standing here.
Lekker.
Here it is.
Dr. Hemda Sims, good day.
Good day. Sorry, hold on.
Oh, no!
It's a real cough. Sorry.
Bad cough.
Yes?
Okay, I'm speaking to?
Are you speaking to Prakash?
Surname Prakash?
Pillay.
Okay, how can I help you?
Can't you tell?
Oh, you want to come here? Very bad cough. All right, whereabout are you now? Tell me. Verulam. See here, our doctor is only going to be here till 1:30. Come straight away now.
I've been sucking a halls, but it's not working.
Oh, what? Halls won't do anything.
Okay, hold on.
Coughing. Bad cough, man. You heard what I told her about the doctor being here only till 1:30.
Yeah.
So if you can come straight away, right?
What is going on here, man?
With you? Okay, you come here, we'll check you out and we'll tell you what's going on. No, you need to come straight away. Your cough is very, very bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's funny, man. Why is making that funny sound?
Wait, what is your address there?
It's 2 ABC Center. 2 ABC Center, 91 Moss Street, right? All right. What you got? What have you written so far?
Number 2.
ABC Center. I told you ABC Center.
Okay,
91. Dr. Chetty.
Say again.
Dr. Chetty. I gave you the details, Dr. Chetty. I'll see you just now. Okay, bye.
Hold on. What time?
You have to be here before.
So, big 5.
You have to be here before 1:15. Bye.
Sorry, you said.
Bye.
Dr. Sims, hello. Hello.
Hello. Sorry, what were you saying?
Hold on, right?
Hello.
Is this Dr. Hemraj?
You've got a terrible cough, yes, you're saying? tell me, do you have acetylsalicylic acid?
That's Disprin. You can buy it from any chemist.
Is it Disprin? Oh yeah, I can never remember that name, Disprin.
Yeah. All right. What is your name?
Simpson.
Yeah.
He even did a cough with my name in it.
Oh, goodness.
How sweet.
I really can't believe that is what that person sounds like.
That is so hectic, but really it does sound like a lot of animals on a game farm or something.
We all okay?
Yeah.
We good? We good? Ramesh, you right?
He's mossig.
Man, they should have sent him straight to ICU.
Oh, sis.
He was born with that. They call him the foghorn.
I had to put it off. Not that it was making me feel sick or anything. I just could not stand that sound. It's like the most horrendous sound.
Listen, Whackhead, by no means have I got a weak stomach, but I was very close to calling George right now.
Nee jong, julle maak 'n mens naar.
Ag nee, Darren man. Ek het my flippin koffie op my broek uitgespil hierso man. Yesterday.
The most fun, laughter, and the most music
to make you feel great.
Wakey, wakey, rise and shine.
KFM mornings with Darren, Shirley, and Sid. Monday to Friday,
6 to 9 a.m.